Welcome to our channel. You need to watch this before you make your next oil filter change. If you ride a Royal Enfield, this little guy might look familiar to you. This is your oil filter. This cost only 80 rupees. And when we open up this box, we can see two O-rings and the oil filter itself. And when we open this up, we can see that Royal Enfield logo is imprinted on this product. And on the other side, we can see the vendor who manufactures it for them. I can feel the difference when I hold it in my hands. This is very rigid, very strong, and this is where things get interesting. I'm going to show you a similar product manufactured by another vendor, another company. This product is only 38 rupees and there is a reason for it. When we open it up, we are going to show you a few differences side by side and show you why there is a price difference between both these products, why we should only buy Royal Enfield oil filter and how it is going to benefit your vehicle. When we look at this product, we can see that it is identical, it is same. When we keep it side by side, you can see that the product looks exactly the same, but trust me guys, when I hold it in my hands, I can feel the difference. The first difference I can feel it when I hold both these products in my hand is the weight difference. The Royal Enfield oil filter is heavier than the other one. We are going to show you this on a weighing machine. Look at this guys. Actually the Royal Enfield oil filter is 48 grams. Now wait until you see the other oil filter's weight. See guys, this one is only 28 grams. There is a difference of 20 grams between these two products. Now for the fun part, we are trying to break open both this oil filter. See if we can get it out. We can see what is inside. First up, we are going to take the Royal Enfield oil filter. We are trying to jack it open. And if you are lucky enough, we can see what is inside. We are doing this for the first time. So let's see if we can open it up. Guys, this is harder than I thought. Like I told you, the outer shell of this product is very rigid and the glue that is being used to stick both the heads are also very strong. Moreover, Royal Enfield, like every other OEMs, follow a strict standard on how to make their Royal Enfield spare parts. There is one thing to be noted guys. You know the vendor's name is written on the Royal Enfield oil filter, and if you try buying the same vendor's oil filter separately, you won't get the same quality. We have checked on it, we have tried it. The quality differs. That is mainly because Royal Enfield strictly monitors their vendors' manufacturing process and also make sure that the product is made according to Royal Enfield needs. I'm sorry guys, this thing is unbreakable. The build quality is superb. I was trying to jack it open. It wouldn't come out. The outer shell is very strong. It is also built very rigid like I told you before. Now let's see how the other one performs. The first thing I can understand when I take it in my hands is that this is very breakable. The outer shell feels very weak. We have actually tried multiple number of products that is manufactured by different companies. This was very easy to break. Now you can see the folded oil filter paper that is inside. Let's see if we can take it out and show you how it looks. We are going to try on with the other side, and again like I told you, that was easy. Now this is the oil filter paper that is inside. There is also an inner shell to it. We should understand that the Royal Enfield inside structure is the same as this one. Since we could not open it is the only reason we could not show you what is inside. Guys, let's try out the Royal Enfield oil filter once more if we can jack it open. Generally speaking guys, this product is way better than I expected. Never buy any aftermarket oil filters, because it actually damages your internal organs of the vehicle, like gearbox, engine and rest of the things where the oil is actually getting filtered into. Because like I told you, the oil filter paper that is used in the vendor product is actually low quality. All the residues that come in the oil will get circulated into your vehicle if you are not using a genuine oil filter. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. We are coming up with more informative videos from the automotive world. Thank you for watching guys. See you next time.